See, as you can see here, the water is flowing very well. And today I'm going to be working on moving the water flow from here to go down this way, which is what I've been saying a bunch of times. But I think this time I finally get it, maybe. As you can see, progress is already being made. You can still see the water flowing over the other direction in the main path, but the water is building up across the way. Minecraft IRL, baby. The water blocks are moving. And you can see now the water is finally broke free. It flows all the way down. Driving on the tractor. Hooray! It's finally the day that we can see the true glory of the effort we put in over time and when we had time to do it. As you can see from here, see the water going all the way down the side of the bamboo forest will have its share of the water of the glory. It will split. I need to just probably make it just a little bit deeper through just to guarantee we get it to work here for sure. You can see the flow. The water is strong once it hits this point. And it'll go all over to the target lilies and whatever else is all down here. It's going to spread out, but it'll pull up and it'll slow down the water because we have a problem with it. Hip hip hooray! Time to work on the excavator on the real problem, because now my hobby part of this expedition is done. For now anyway, because there's still a lot of work to do here. Oh yeah, and the dirt that I'm going to be pulling out of the ditch line over there is I'm going to put it over here so I can extend and make it not so steep towards the way. Just put it over there somewhere. And now we can see the effect of it already down here, which I guess I should have probably recorded this before, but I recorded it while it was flooded, and the water was too much over there, and it was flowing over here. You guys have seen it literally coming out of the ground here at the bottom. Oh, I seen a frog over there. But the pipe, we can see the pipe just a little bit right there, actually. The little green thing there. That's what we got to uncover, but there's one down underneath here somewhere, which is what we're going to use the excavator for. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, check it out. We got the excavator here. We are going to ride out, and there is a cat here. Mr. Cat, run away. That's right. But we are driving a Kubota, not a cat. That's for sure. Been a hot minute since I drove this thing, actually. So, how do we drive it? Oh, I don't know. I don't remember. Oh, the first thing you got to do is open up the window. That's true. Because it's hot. Oh, God. I forgot the thing goes above me. Oh, like it literally just flew at me. All right. That's good. It's a good start. So, key goes into the key slot. That's right. So the key slot. So run and start. Oh, yeah. See? Easy. Run and start. We need to let it run for a second here and get it all beepy beepy. I do remember that part. Looks like gas is almost full and oil is not hot yet. Oh yeah. We got ourselves a joystick here. We got ourselves a thingamabobber, speed changer thingy, throttle probably. Got the doohickeys right here. That's right. And then we got, oh yeah, see, check this out. We're supposed to, this is an emergency thing. All right, so I'm going to slide that down. Oh man. Once you slide that down, that's like saying, I'm ready to do stuff. You know what I mean? So, before you do that, you want to put your seatbelt on. That's right. Oh, yeah. That's true. Now that we got the seatbelt on, we got official sandals here. So we got pedals here. 1 pedal, 2 pedal. What do they mean? What do they do? They're for your feet to be comfy. That's true. Oh, yeah. So, simple. We get the key in here. That's right. Simple. We put it on the run. That's right. Let the beeper beep do its thing. That's right. This needs to not be down, because this is the down and ready to go. We're not ready to go, right? Okay. Still put the seatbelt on here. And then, now we turn it on. Oh, yeah. Now we turn it on, and now we can put down the emergency thingamabobber, and now we have control. Oh, wait. Buckets. Oh, buckets. Don't want to run into the house now, do we? Right. So, up, down, and out, right? And let it out with this right here. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we're ready to go. That's the basics. See ya soon. It's one of those things where you kind of need 2 hands to be able to use it to really shift around. And once we got turned around there, now we are good to go. All the way, baby. And we can go ahead and move this thing down here to where we can go faster. Well, now we're rattling. Say nothing. Yeehaw! Here we go. We are rocking, stocking, bebopping. Oh, the door just slammed on me. That's fun. As you can see here, it takes 2 hands to run this machine. So we got 2 handles to turn. So turning around, I needed to be able to use both my hands. But right now, we're kind of just going down a straight line here. And we got ourselves riding along here. The joysticks. That right there is our speed. We also can press the button right there, the green button. Right now is not the time to use the green button. It's the ultra violent rabbit ear bunny speed. We don't want to do that while we're on the road here. Oh, Nelly, we're all flying around everywhere. All right, that's good. We're good to go. We're good to go, bro. Ah, I need 2 hands. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, now we got the right tool for the job. The Kubota U27-4. Can you dig it? Absolutely. This bad boy right there can dig it. And that's what we're going to be working on right here. Crazy stuff too while we're at it. It's going to be fun and exciting. Yeah, there we go. That'll work for now anyway. We got ourselves a view from inside the cabin. Oh, it's the stabbing cabin. No, it's the digging cabin. Dig harder. video games. This is not any different than a video game to me. Stabilize ourselves this time, man. Stabilize it. Stabilize ourselves, yeah. Maybe it's Maybelline. Maybe she wants both honest. Maybe she can stabilize. The problem is, like, these tiger lilies, I got so many tiger lilies. We can always buy more, right? We can always buy more. Oh, shit, don't do that. Don't do that. Until we graded the ground, now we're gonna be a little bumpy. I stabilized myself one time. This is what happens. This is what happens. I stabilized myself one time. Put in a little bit of extra effort for stabilization. Let's get it in here. I know you can't see. Well, buddy, but we can do it. Yeah, there you go. Oh my goodness. Esports. Can you dig it? Esports. There you go. Rockefeller, baby. Can we get down, baby? Get down, baby. Esports. This is IRL sports. I don't know what you're talking about. This is the most IRL sporty sport we've ever seen. yeah, that's a lot of dirt right there. Can you dig it, baby? Okie dokies. So I took one of the trees I cut down from up there and went ahead and cleaned it off. So I'm going to use it, hopefully, as a pipe cleaner for the hole that we got here. And I went ahead and left these little things on here. Oh, I don't know, so I can do some grab stuff. Should be interesting. I think this should be long enough. Oh, hopefully. So for sure, this log that I just dragged down here is really heavy. But hopefully it's long enough. It looks like it's just barely long enough. It's kind of laying on a hill here, so it's having a little extra length to cover here. And it's definitely small enough to fit in the pipe. This is a big old pipe cleaner, ladies and gentlemen. We about to uncork this bad boy. Well, the answer turns out to be it barely made it. There's a little bit of tiny water coming through now instead of none. For that long ass branch, I had to figure out how to shove it in there. I'm also bleeding. Hooray! That's okay. Blood, sweat, and tears, baby! Let's go! Ooh-wee. Now we're back to heading down here for round 2. We're gonna check out what happened with the pipe and also dig a hole. No, I mean, I'm just kidding. We'll see here. What I gotta do here, sir, is all this trees, then grass and stuff right here you'll see that we're about to pass. I need to move all that down over yonder. Yep, this stuff right there. And some of the dirt maybe. Yep, it's where this is all more even and it's a lot easier to see over the other side. Because right now it's just all blocking. Doing a whole lot of blocking. Also, I made an absolute muddy mess of things over here. Isn't that amazing? An absolute muddy mess. Holy balls, Batman. We can still see from here that the water is there, but actually there's less water in there. Holy moly. It's been like 30 minutes or whatever, but there's already not enough water in there. There's already not enough water in there that it's not going onto the road. So that's progress. So it's nearly ending, but we're gonna grab something over here real quick. Oh goodness, look at this. I didn't even do anything. I mean, I did earlier. That little bit that I unclogged, it pushed its way through with force. And now there's a flow of water again. Hooray! Hooray! The big stick, the big giant stick did in fact do the trick. Amazing. With brute strength you could do. But here's the silly thing is you might see here there's a pole pipe that I was supposed to use and I forgot about it, So we're gonna use this pipe here and we're gonna make the flow of the water even more. Because why not? Whoopsie daisies. All that work on the trees is for silliness, right? For silliness indeed. As this little mini pond will be taken care of and no problem. No problemo, baby. The glory! The glory! Let's go, baby! Can you dig it? Oh yeah, let the water flow. That's what I'm talking about. Amazing, it's amazing. Beautiful. It's magnificent. It's a work of art. It's a work of art, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely magnificent. Magnificent. Oh, we can already hear it slowing down on the other side. And let's take a look here, as we can now see the pipe again. Hooray. And the water flows, and the water flows. And I dug it deep enough so I don't have to dig any more over here, except that I can't see the pipe here. Although I can see where the water's coming out from it. So I'm pretty sure just a shovel and I won't have no problem getting it, or it might already be unclogged. Either way, that looks like a success for me. We just got to now go ahead and work on grabbing some dirt that's right there, and those trees, and some bumblebees down there, and yada yada yada. Ooh wee! Can you dig it? All of them, baby. Beautiful, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Got ourselves a nice little pile of logs here. You know, we're working on it. We're clearing out the area. Progress is happening. Yeehaw. Ooh-wee. And the last thing you need to do is shut the window, which I already did one of them, and we'll shut this one here. Oh yeah, that's right. Alrighty guys, that is going to be it. Thank you all very much for checking out the Haze Demon Grow Show. Hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful time. Don't forget to bring a friend. We will see you all on the flippity floppities for more exciting content later on. Be good, be safe, peace out.
You wanna know how I got these scars?
Shut up, Mimsy!